Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are happy and healthy with your loved ones. This is Poonam Sahani. I am here to share my experiences about Vipassana meditation. Vipassana meditation is a tool that brings your mind where there is no thought. It become like a standstill water in a pond. So here I am sharing my experience. It is Sunday afternoon, 12:30. I just reached to Jaipur Center of Vipassana meditation, and after completing all the formalities, I was allotted a room over there. Why I went there? I heard a lot about Vipassana from my colleagues in my office. So accordingly, I booked a slot for me in the month of December 2018. I was very excited that I am going to learn new things, and post dinner a joint meeting held where all the rules and regulations, guidelines were told to us what needs to be followed, and we started practicing it from the day one. The difficult part was we were asked to get up early in the morning, 4 o'clock, and until we get up, someone keeping a bell uh, like was kept on ringing the bell until we get up, and they ensure that by 4:30 we start the meditation in the meditation hall. So whole day there was a routine with like proper break for lunch, breakfast, and rest time. So all day we were doing the meditation only, and after 2 days only I was like about to leave that place. I was not like liking it. I was feeling bored, and I was like that I need to reach to my family. But our teacher told us that this process is to control your mind, but your mind, who has always wandered like a monkey, it will not at all allow you to stay over here. It will do all the tantrum so that you can move from this place. So based upon this learning, I continued the 10 days meditation, though we were not supposed to talk to anyone because we need to keep noble silence over there. Even we can't look, I mean, can't have the eyes contact with any of the women. There is like separate section for men and women. So even with the women also we can't have the eye contact. So I completed the 10 day session, and like came back. My husband and my son, they both reached to pick me up from there, and after like I came back and started my daily routines, following up my going to office and doing all the routine work, I realized that my mind was very peaceful, which earlier was not. It was restless, and I was used to. I was even forget that what peace of mind was. I was so restless, and I also observed that there was improvement in my decision making. I can decide the things in my ongoing day to day work in my office on immediate basis, which earlier was not. And my creativity goes up, level of confidence goes up, and the most important thing, I caused my promotion over there. And also I found drastic improve in my high blood pressure problem. Even when I came back now, I was not, I mean, I was completely peaceful. And then I realized, okay, I was so restless that I was even forget what peace of mind is. So if you want to go there, you need to book meditate slot for yourself by visiting their website. You can Google out Vipassana and you can find it out. It is in the name of Dhamma, www.dhamma.org, and there you can choose the state and the date where you want to, what date is suitable to you. Minimum for the beginner is 10-day course. So one thing I would like to tell you that this process, this I got a tool for lifetime to conquer my mind. And if we conquer our mind, we can achieve anything we want in life. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do share it with your family and relatives, and also hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you. Take care.